In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the Analyze Chart and Copilot feature of MarketLlama effectively. Firstly, we'll discuss the Analyze Chart feature. This feature is an AI-integrated tool that breaks down current market data and structure, then generates an AI-powered summary to help traders better understand what's happening in the market at that moment. This helps traders make clearer decisions, instead of relying on too much information, which often leads to poor emotional decisions. This is your XAUUSD chart. To use the Analyze Chart feature, click the Analyze Chart button and wait for the AI to generate the current market data. Here it says, Market Bias. Buyers are gaining moderate control as price climbs off recent lows, but the broader trend remains bearish. Momentum is building, but not yet decisive, and volatility is moderate. Structure, there is no valid setup right now. Price has not delivered a clean break of structure in either direction, so you're waiting for the market to declare itself with a decisive move. Action, bullish, wait for a decisive break, above 4,520.95. Then wait for price to pull back a bit. Then look for a bullish confirmation candle. Bearish, wait for a decisive break, below 4,489.40. Then wait for price to pull back a bit. Then look for a bearish confirmation candle. The Copilot. This is your personal trading copilot that analyzes your strategy and sends you live alerts directly to your email, so you can enjoy your day without constantly stressing over the market. This tool was created to help busy professionals and emotional traders stay disciplined, avoid impulsive decisions, and never miss high-quality trading opportunities, even when they're away from the charts. You click the pen icon to add or edit your strategy. Here's a demo strategy. You add your indicators here if your strategy uses any. Here's where you add your entry rules. Here's where you define your risk. And here you add a detailed summary of your strategy so the AI has more information to work with. After that, you click Review Strategy, wait a bit, and confirm that you're satisfied with it. Then you hit Save, and the Copilot does its job by scanning the market for potential entries for you. You click the Start Copilot feature to get real-time commentary on what's happening in the market. This tells you exactly what's happening as it happens, giving traders more clarity and confidence in their decisions. And when you're done, you click End Copilot to stop it. And that's all for today's video. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember, clarity is better than noise.